Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace ball joints on 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. Start by lifting and securing the truck on jack stands and removing the wheel and brake caliper to expose the control arm. Disconnect the tie rod end and sway bar link where needed, then unbolt the ball joint and use a press or separator to free it. Inspect boots and grease fittings before finishing. Gather the right tools so the job goes smoothly and safely. You'll need a ball joint press, breaker bar, torque wrench, punches, and sockets that fit the 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. Replace worn components like cotter pins and consider new grease fittings for longevity. Keep a parts tray nearby and double-check you have the correct ball joints for your trim. Work methodically and keep fasteners organized for reassembly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future repair guides. Quick recommendation: grab a little Tree's black ice for the cab to mask grease and road smells after a long mechanical session. It's a small thing that makes a big difference. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy quick tips like this, please hit subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Work one side at a time to keep the truck stable and organized. After removing the wheel and disconnecting suspension links, separate the ball joint with the press or a ball joint separator to avoid damaging the control arm. Press out the old joint and press the new ball joint in until fully seated, then reinstall the castle nut and cotter pin. Reassemble brakes and wheel, torque everything to spec, and perform a cautious test drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.